This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by connecting the joystick and enabling input inside Infinite Flight. First, make sure your joystick is paired or plugged into your device and accepted by the OS. Once connected, open the app and go straight to Settings, then Controls to toggle external joystick support. You do this now so the simulator can detect axes and buttons. If the device isn't shown, disconnect and reconnect. And check Bluetooth or USB permissions on your device before moving on. Once the joystick is available, map each physical control to the corresponding in-game axis. Aileron for roll, elevator for pitch, rudder for yaw, and throttle if your stick has it. Then adjust sensitivity and dead zone values. Start with moderate sensitivity around 0, 5 to 0, 75 and a small dead zone so you avoid jitter. If your pitch feels reversed, invert that axis. Make sure to test these settings immediately in a short flight. This hands-on check reveals whether trims or further tweaks are required. Finish by saving your control profile so you don't lose the mappings and sensitivity you tuned. Perform a full calibration sequence in controls and then fly a short circuit to verify takeoff, maneuvering, and landing feel correct. If you encounter unresponsive axes or drift, restart the app and device first, then remap or reset the profile. A key troubleshooting tip: if drift persists, increase dead zones slightly and recalibrate. This usually eliminates small unwanted inputs without sacrificing control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.